It's part of the more widely known Inabel weave family of Ilocos, and therefore, our airport code here is Lawag, or LAU. For our Binakol weave, we acknowledge the craft of the Paway weavers supported by the Mariano Marcos State University. We stand up to be recognized and our Binakol weavers. Thank you. Next, we have Ramit. So the tightly woven Ramit weave is made of cottonseed materials and natural dyes, and we work with our partners in the island of Mindoro. So this is accessible via San Jose, and therefore it's SJI. For our Ramit weave, we acknowledge the craft of the Hanuo Mangyan tribe weavers supported by the Awati Tikape Community Development Program. Now, for the Hablon. The signature plaid pattern of the iconic Hablon weave is part of a rich legacy. It's been passed down through generations of women in Iloilo since the 19th century. Thus, the airport code, Ilo. For our Hablon weave, we acknowledge the craft of the Baraklayan Weavers Association from Yakan, Iloilo. And for the Patadyong, the traditional check pattern of the Patadyong is commonly seen in the Visayas. And for this, we work with our partners in Antique, which can be reached via Iloilo, Calibo, and also Katiklan or MPH. So for our Patadyong weave, we acknowledge the craft of the Patnongon Multipurpose Cooperative and Bagtason Loom Weavers Association. Alright, and lastly, the intricate pattern of the Yakan weave shows the creative expression of the Yakan tribe through generations. You may actually visit them at the Yakan Weaving Village, which is just about 11 minutes from the Zamboanga airport. Thus, the Zamboanga airport code here. So for our Yakan weave, we acknowledge the craft of Oriental weaves supported by the Mariano Marcos State University. So again, a round of applause for all our weaving communities who are not just here but also across the Philippines. We invite you to join us on this journey of learning more about our heritage and supporting our weaving communities in each of our own ways. And together, let's all preserve our rich culture and share our beautiful Philippine Islands to the world. So truly, the Philippine weaves are weaving and just waiting to be discovered one by one. Thank you.